Hello everyone and welcome back to my tutorial where I continue create our complete building in Revit. We are already on some final stage. If you will go to our level 1, you will see we almost finished everything except only the furniture and some interior things. So today we will talk about that thing. We will see how you can feel it inside, how you can get your family, how you can place it, and how we can create internal spaces inside this Revit project. If you are ready, let's get started. If you are new in my channel or if you are watching this series only first time, this series your first, you can download this project below the video. Just go below the video and there you will get the file with this complete project. So you can follow me easy by this file. So download it, open up and watch this video and just follow what I will do in your screen. First thing first, we will finish the first thing, this internal walls. As you can see, it's not clearly seen, but if I will select my floor, I will hide my floor because I don't need it on the first level. Just double click by HH on your keyboard and you will temporarily hide your object. As you can see here we have something not clearly understandable, but this is for sure. Here's the wall. Here we will make the flash wall, and here will be like transparency wall, and here's our entrance. So let's do that. Here's like a few cabinets. We will finish it right now. And we're going to the first level, going to the architecture. Here you will find the wall. And as you understand, we need some interior wall. Let's see. We have some walls, which we already did it. But we have only the one type of the architecture wall interior. As you can see, interior, architecture, 150 gypsum. So this is what I want. Let's select it. Let's change the location line to the wall center line. Why? Because I cannot properly see where is my left side or the right side, so I cannot see the faces. But I can see exactly where is our center line. Let's start our center line. I think from this way will be okay, and we will place it 5,400. It will be pretty enough, and we will place it. This part of the wall we will do by the curtain wall because I want to make it transparency. So that's why I'm just doing the one line. So let's continue this thing. 5,400 millimeter, and for this part we will change a bit the rule. Now we will go to the wall center line and we will change it to the core face exterior. And let's see. Now as you can see, we're using the one side of the face our wall. And as you can see, we get properly things. Okay, we did it, and let's continue it here. Here will be a transparency, and as you understand, here not. We will change it again to the wall center line, where is the center line of my panel, because I'm following it. And as you remember, we did there 5,400 millimeter, but here it's clearly 4,400 millimeters, so it's 1 meter smaller than we did. Here we have the shaft, as you can see. Exactly, I can see the shaft, and I will do the 300 millimeter. After that, I will change it to the exterior one, and I will draw my shaft here. So let's draw it. Because we are doing the replica, I'm doing approximately everything. I will use the TR, so this is a trim, and I will trim all of the things. Now I will use the align, so this is AL. Now I can use the align, as you can see, and let's align my shaft. And as you can see, everything alright. Yeah, as you can see, actually we should change here the type of the wall. Let's use the tab key, and now we'll loop all this wall. Just select your wall, click the tab key, and as you can see, you can now select all the loop walls. And let's change the interior to the structure, because actually this is a structure. As I said before, all the construction, what covering your shaft, it's construction part, it's not gypsum you cannot, it's impossible to make it. Architecture, wall, and let's change it back our wall to the interior architect one. Don't forget, change the location line to the wall center, and let's draw it again, 4400 millimeter. Okay, we did it. Here the same thing, but we now, as you can see, a bit changing location. So let's make it 4400 millimeter, and let's continue its overall. Here we should think actually how it will be opening. Actually, as you can see here, we don't have any curtain wall, because entrance, it's directly entrance and these two flush wall. Let's draw it here, the same size. Okay, and we continue on this part. 4400 millimeter. This here will be same, and few more. Here it's 5000, as you remember, 5000 something. Okay, we will leave it as it is, and later we will change it. And here again we should create the shaft. Let me, I will just copy, I will select this shaft, I will copy it, it will be more faster. But here is the center line. Where is my shaft? It's here. Here is my center line, and as you can see, it's really the same size right now. So now it's time to create the curtain wall. But before we will do that, let's see what we get. I will select one wall, and I will select another wall on the other side. So as you can see, from the two different sides. And now I will select selection box. Why? Because now I can see properly what's going on this level. Let me, I will make my selection box a bit bigger, like that. And now we can see directly our first level without roof, without anything, and you can see what we did. Okay, everything seems okay. The height for everything we did pretty well. And let's create our curtain wall in this side. So I will go to the level 1. I will go to the wall. Not to wall, sorry. We will go to the... Yeah, to the wall, sorry, my mistake. And here we will use the curtain wall. Just this one. We not will change anything. We will just use this one. After that, go to the edit type. And let's duplicate it. And the name of that will be interior, so int architecture curtain wall, like that. Let's say okay, and as you can see, we get the new name, and let's place it here. I will place for this intersection till this one. Now I will go to the 3D, because it will be better to work into 3D. And let's work it here. Let's say we exactly know that we will have the mullions, but we will have only the vertical mullions, not horizontal one. We will do the fixed distance, and each 1500 pretty enough. We did it, as you can see. So, but as you can see, it's just mullions without mullion, so this is bad thing. Let's go back. And let's choose the mullion for this type of the thing. Interior mullion. Here we will use the rectangular, this one. Apply. Yeah. And the same will be for the border 1 and border 2. Where is that? Here. Apply. And where is that? Here. Apply. Let's say okay. And as you can see, now we get around our mullion. Let me, I will select it. Where is my height? Everything alright. Let me, I will check mullion for... we did it. And now we also need one horizontal one and vertical one, but only for the border. Let me, I will choose this one. Let's apply, and as you can see, we get for our low part. And now we need for the top part too. And here is the top part. We don't need interior one. But only this mullion, only that one, we will delete. Unpin it and delete, because here will be door. Now just use the tab key to select this panel, and now we should change it to the door. Here is the door glass. Let's use it, and as you can see, now it's door here. Let's go to the level 1, and as you can see, we did it. So pretty awesome. The same thing now we will do on this part. So you just can copy it if you lazy to create it, but first we will copy. I will make it more properly here. Yeah, this one is possible to make it like that. Let's say you will send it to the 𝒕𝒐𝒄 or some other organization who creating the glass walls and something like that, and they will calculate. So it's not your job anymore. So I will do like that. Now it's here the small wall, the door, but it's not correct. We will select this door and we will say here it's not door anymore. Here will be glazed panel. Yeah, like that. Here will be, for this panel, here will be a door, but it's too big for us. And as you can see, now it's a routine job. You should change it 900mm. So unpin it and 900mm. Okay, much better. Here you should unpin it too and say 1500mm. And same here, I think we should do 1500mm. Okay, here, what is that? Okay, here everything alright. I will go to the 3D. Everything seems okay, but here we don't have the mullion. For that one, just go to the mullion, one segment, and choose this same type, 550 to the 150, and select this empty part. Here you should delete it. Unpin it, delete. So as you can see, it's pretty long work, but once you will finish your interior part. Okay, here I think we can just place the wall, because here it's like a coffee machine and something like that room. I will just select this wall, and after that I will copy the same, and I will use the tab key to change, the spacebar to change the rotation, and I will do it till the end. After that I will go to the door, I will select the single flash door, and I will open up it like that. I will go to the 3D, and as you can see, we get what we want. Level 1, and just continue it here. You just can select this type of the curtain wall and say you want to create the same, create the similar, and create from this part to this. Let's do it. As you can see, we did it, but it's actually, this is not good for us. Let's change it direction like that. It's much better. As you can see, now one line. Here you can save it like that, it's okay, or you can do my small detail here. It's already up to you. You can change the mullion here. As I said, it's already up to you. And the one thing, as you can see, here is the glazing, it's going to the exterior part, and here the interior. So let's select it and choose this small button. Select it and everything alright. Okay, the first thing here will be door, and as you can see, the distance here, it's too much again. Again, use the tab key, unpin, and say here the 900mm, and use the tab key, say here it will be 1500mm, and the same thing here. Yes, it takes time, but once you will do that, it's final job. Okay, we did it. Again to the 3D view, select it, where is that? It's here. Select this mullion, unpin, delete. As you can see, we can do it much faster right now. And the same thing here again. Let's create the similar, the same way, place it like that. Let's select this part. Okay, unpin, 900. As you can see, I can do now, it's much faster. So, but I'm trying doing not too much faster, because I know you following me. And here's the nice situation. We have 2000mm. So what we will do? Actually, better to divide it. 2000mm, it's too much. How we can divide? You go to the curtain grid and divide it somewhere here. 500mm too small, and much better if we will leave 800mm, it's much better. Okay. And select this panel again, change it to the door, go to the 3D, and delete this small part. Done. Why I'm leaving the 4-door 900mm? Not only because this is nice for us, I mean it looks nice, it's also the main thing for your customer, for your client, because if he will have the same doors, he not will spend a lot of the money to order it. For example, better to order 5 same type of the door than 5 different type of the one door. Yeah, it's much better than only one type. That's why I'm trying to keeping one distance, I mean the one size of the door, 500mm. And here again these things, let's do the same thing like here. Let's divide it. I will select this part and I say here is 800mm. Yeah, much better. Now the client will have here the same panel, but here it will be different. It's okay anyway, but for some of them he will have the same. Here will be door 300, and let's delete this small part again. We are already under the finish. Let me select this one, create. Let me create from this side to here. I will select this one, unpin 900, select this one, unpin 1500, and here will be same. This one unpin, and here 1500. Okay. Yeah, and here 900mm only. Again, this part I will select it. I will say here will be the door. I will go. Let me change the direct opening, just spacebar, and this will be much better. Yeah, here we will change. No, here we will leave like that because it's better to going like that. We still have here some space to going inside. Okay, I will go to the 3D. I will select this bottom part, unpin, delete. Here we'll just have the wall, so it means we will going here. Just use TR. It's trim. Let's trim it and let's place here the door. As you can see, we have only the single flush door, but here I wanna make the same thing. I wanna a glazing door. How we can get it? We can go to the insert. Here you will find the load Autodesk family, and let's type door, enter. And here we have the some door, curtain door, but we're not interested in the curtain door. We're interested not curtain door. But we don't have the here from the Autodesk, as you can see, same. Maybe have. Let me check it. We will choose this one. Let's load it. Yeah, we will load all of them. We'll go architecture now, door, and as you can see, we get now one more type. Much better. I will place it here. It's too big. I will select it, edit type, and let's see. It's, as you can see, 900mm. But it's not actually 900mm, but maybe it's 900mm. Let's see. Let's align it. Yeah, it's 900mm, but we will change opening. It will be opening inside here. Actually, it's not good when it's opening inside, but I will do only for this cabinets inside opening. And let's place another door, another wall, I mean, like that. Again, I will change direction, just spacebar, opening is here. I will choose this one, unpin it, 900mm, much better. Unpin it, 1500mm, and the same here. Why is that? 1500mm. Again, I will align my wall. You shouldn't use the tool align, just move it. If you will use align, it will be impossible to move it. Okay, we did it, so let's select this type panel, and I will change the door again. Opening will be the same way here, only for this part. 3D, and don't forget to delete this mullion. Unpin it, delete. Okay, as you can see, it's looks not bad right now. We already the finished interior part. We'll go back to the level 1, and we already under the finish. Let me, I will place it here. Okay, like that. Again, as you can see, it's the location, we should change it. Let's change it like that. And dimensions, but I think you already understand you should change dimension to it everywhere. 900 millimeter. It happens. I think it's not a big problem to change it. 500. Oh, as you can see, I didn't unpin it. Now I did unpin it first, and after that change dimension. Okay. Select the panel, door. Yeah, it will be opening in this in this side, 3D. Let's select it, unpin it, delete. Okay, here we have the again the same thing as here, but here we can place actually our curtain wall, and I think it will be not bad idea. Here actually the wall is 5400 millimeter, as you remember. I will align it. I will check it. No, it's not 500, 4000 millimeter. It's this terrible number, but we will leave it because it should be the same line with our shaft. Anyway, it's okay. I will select my wall, create the same wall. I will place it like this and like this. It's only the one type of that. As you can see, we get this weird angle here, but we will change it, no worries. Like that, I will select this part and I will move it a bit like that. Just spacebar to change it. Where will be my window and this one. Here the interesting thing, because we will go now to the 3D and we will delete something to achieve result. Okay, I will delete one part of the mullion, this one, and the second part I will select it by tab key, unpin it, but I not will delete. I will change it to the corner one. I will change the quadrant to the corner, and as you can see now we have the corner one. If you will go to this one, as you can see, we have now one single mullion. But this mullion, this panel will be the door. It's too huge door actually, and let's divide the curtain wall. Okay, I will do it manually. It's okay. Glaze the door, glazed window, and here it will be 900 millimeter. Much better. Let's see what's going on 3D. Here's my 3D. Where is this one? It's here. And we will delete this small part. As you can see, really nice result. So we did it. Perfect. Let me go back to the level 1. Let's continue here. It will take a lot of the time already because we finished more than 70%. We did it here, is everything right. I'll change this part. Here will be 900 millimeter. Here will be the 1500 millimeter. And here we should divide it. Like this. Again, it's selected, 1500 millimeter. Okay. I will change this panel to the door. Let's use the spacebar. It will be opening like this, much better. 3D, select this small bottom part, unpin, delete. Okay, and we have one more. I will go to the first level. Here we will close it. Let's select the, no, it's not a bad idea. Let's select this gypsum and we will create the same. I will change to the exterior or interior part, and I will here create this close part like that. Here will be only one door, nothing else. Okay, and let's use our door. Where is the architecture door? And we will use this door. This door will be opening inside. Maybe here some pantry, some closed room. I don't know. Maybe here again we have the coffee table or something like that. Kitchen is here, as you can see. Yeah, strange. The door here and kitchen here. Okay. It's not my design, actually. Let's place the door where we should place it. The door will be here. One more. This is first level. Yeah, if it's first level, actually we should place it door like this. but we don't have here enough space, so we will place it like this. Where is our flush door? Flush door is here, and we will place it one more here. Actually, here is better if it will be double door. I will load double door from the insert, load family, and here is the door, and I need the double flush door. Exterior one, much better. Let's load it everything. Architecture, door, and double door. Oh, so it's too big. We will do it smaller. Let's select it, edit type, and I will do it 1500 millimeter. Actually, it's more smaller. 1400 millimeter. Yeah, it looks like that. We'll go to the 3D. Yeah, it looks like that, but I should change the direction. Much better. Yeah, but actually it's more smaller. Anyway, let's place doors everywhere. We have the place door. Here is not door, here is the opening. Or maybe it's door here. It cannot understand exactly where is the door actually. I know exactly here is the door. Actually, not here is not door. Here is the wall opening. I will place the wall opening, and I will do it like that. Okay, let me go to the 3D and let's check it. Everything alright. Here's the wall opening, but I don't like this different with the floor. Let's use the align key and let's align it much better. Let me back to the level 1, and here we have also the opening. Let me check. Yeah, here it's like we're going to the another level. Here it's like storage room or something like that. So for that one we will use the flush door, and it will be opening inside like this. It's too small actually. Let me do it's much bigger. Yeah, much bigger is better. Okay, so we did actually all the doors except this one, but here I will place it the same flash doors like this, because actually we don't know exactly which type of the door here should be. I will place it here, the flash doors. It will be okay, I think. As you can see here, we have some internal rooms, but I think you already can do by yourself. Anyway, now in this tutorial we finished all interior parts in the first level. In second tutorial, in the next tutorial, we will finish what's going on the next level, and after that we will start already to create our drawing sheets and place it our view on drawing sheets. So few more lessons and we will finish this tutorial, this complete building, and you will get all your building which will be complete at all. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.